Poor dog. She's got to figure out where to go potty. Oh, he come and bladed out the beginning of the driveway. I gotcha. Oh, I grabbed the measuring stick. Let's see. Boom. We got about a foot of snow. That's lovely. Right there's the 16. And that's probably the better measurement. Awesome. 16 inches of snow. So if some of you are not on my Facebook, you will, we average 149 inches of snow in a year, or not a year, in a season. And as of 7 o'clock this morning, we were sitting at 156.4. It's only the beginning of February, people. It's about to get crazy.
Look at these.
Woo! Let's hope